From horrifying home videos to scary stories from hikers, here are 9 mysteries on Earth that remain unsolved. Number 9. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In February of 1959, 9 ski hikers were found dead in the northern Ural Mountains in what is now known as the Dyatlov Pass Incident. The group had set out to hike across the mountains when they were hit by an avalanche. However, when search parties found their camp 2 months later, they discovered something strange. The hikers had cut their way out of their tent from the inside and fled, but they had done so in their underwear. All 9 had also suffered serious injuries, including broken ribs and a fractured skull, and some had even died with a strange red coloration on their bodies. The cause of death for most of the group was eventually attributed to a combination of hypothermia and exhaustion, but to this day, nobody knows why the group had fled their tent or why they had done so in their underwear. Number 8. The Beast of Gévaudan. Between 1764 and 1767, a mysterious wolf-like creature terrorized the French province of Gévaudan, killing more than 400 people. Despite the creature's massive size and strength, only one sample of its fur and a few teeth and bones remain today, leaving many to question whether the beast was even real or just a product of overactive imaginations. Some believe the beast may have actually been a large dog or even a bear. Others claim it was an actual wolf, while some believe it could have been a hyena. To this day, nobody knows what the beast really was. Number 7. The Hook Man. Between 1991 and 2001, a series of gruesome murders took place in the English town of Colchester, which led to the deaths of 8 people and the injury of another 7. The killer or killers mutilated their victims with a hook, hence the name Hook Man. However, despite extensive investigations, no arrests have ever been made. Number 6. The disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. In 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 was scheduled to fly from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, but the plane never arrived. A search was immediately launched, and several pieces of debris from the plane were eventually found on the shores of Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean. However, this was the only physical evidence that was ever found, and to this day, nobody knows what really happened to the plane or the 239 people who were on board. Number 5. The Mary Celeste. In December of 1872, the brigantine ship Mary Celeste was found abandoned at sea with no crew on board. The ship had left New York 3 weeks earlier with a cargo of alcohol, and the crew had apparently set sail as planned. However, when the ship was inspected, it was clear that the crew had abandoned ship in a hurry. All of their personal belongings were still on board, and the ship's cargo was untouched. Several theories have been proposed, including piracy and mutiny, but nobody knows what really happened to the crew. 4. The WOW signal. In 1977, radio astronomers were searching for signals from space when they picked up a strange transmission that lasted for 30 seconds. The signal was later named the WOW signal, due to the fact that it was 30 times stronger than any other radio signal that had ever been recorded. While some believe it may have been the result of aliens trying to contact humans, others believe it was caused by a misalignment of the telescope's parts or a faulty receiver. Number 3. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a mysterious book that was discovered in 1912 and is filled with strange illustrations of plants, animals, and celestial objects. Written in an unknown language, it has stumped cryptographers for decades. Some believe the book may be a hoax, while others believe it contains secret knowledge that our current technology isn't advanced enough to decipher. Number 2. The Taos Hum. In the 1990s, residents of the town of Taos, New Mexico, began reporting hearing a strange humming noise, leading some to believe that the town was built on top of a natural gas field. However, tests conducted by the Environmental Protection Agency found no evidence of this. Some have even suggested that the noise may be coming from underground nuclear testing that was conducted in the area in the 1970s. But to this day, nobody knows what the noise is or where it's coming from. Number 1. The killing of Abraham Lincoln's assailant. On April 14, 1865, Abraham Lincoln was shot in the back of the head by John Wilkes Booth while attending a play at Ford's Theater. While Booth was killed by Union soldiers 12 days later, many believe that Booth was actually the only person involved in the conspiracy to kill Lincoln. However, there were also several other people who helped Booth escape, and their identities remain a mystery to this day. Now it's time to make your voice heard. Comment below which of these mysteries was the most intriguing. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these.